Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about rindex function. This function looks like same as finding function. Okay. Then what is going to do this function? This function helps you to search a specific word within the string and returns the index value of the beginning character of that particular search word, just like find function. Let's see through code. Text equal to welcome to Lingaraj Tech Hub, then x equal to text dot find Lingaraj Tech Hub print x. Fine. When you going to run it through command prompt, Python, then find Python find string func dot py. Okay. Fine. It is not showing find name index. Sorry. This is index. Comes out 11. Okay. If you go for the previous program find, that is find string function, it also return the 11. Okay, because I written here also welcome to Lingaraj Tech Hub, it will return you Lingaraj Tech Hub beginning character position of the search word, that is 11. Okay, so here also return the 11, means both the functions plays the same role. Okay, so if you go for the index also, it plays the same role. Fine. So I also repeat this particular sentence. My favorite fruit is pineapple. Okay, then x dot equal to text dot find, not find, index. I'll retain here find. Sorry, I changed this particular function index, that is apple, not apple, that is pineapple. Pineapple. Okay, print x. So first of all, I change this find to index. Index. Fine. So let's see what is going to be written here. So I run index string func 11 22, just like same as if you go for the find function, find string function, it is also return you same. Okay, I on find function I first print this my favorite fruit, then comes to the Lingaraj Tech Hub this particular sentence search word. After that it will be giving you this statement. But here also I swipe this thing. First will give in the Lingaraj Tech Hub search word, then give in the pineapple search word, which is the all other statements by other words in that particular statement or string or sentence. My favorite fruit is same, but only apple it is going to be changed here pineapple. Okay, if you go for the find function, here see my favorite fruit is looks the same words in that particular sentence, but only apple is going to change here, pineapple is going to be changed here. Okay, but return of that character, search character of that particular search word of that particular character is going to be written same 22, and here also 22. Fine, understand? So this is the find index functions, string functions is how it is going to be performed. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, share this video, click on the bell icon. When I am upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.